back to my channel. Today we're talking breakfast. I'm gonna show you how to make overnight oats 3 different ways using some really simple ingredients. I have a large container of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats that I wanted to use up, along with some fruit and some extra toppings. It's gonna be so tasty. This is gonna be perfect for meal prepping, so let's get started.
Okay, so since I'm gonna be batching enough jars for the week, I'm gonna go ahead and just make a large batch, and then we're just going to add in the flavors afterwards, just to simplify things. So first I'm gonna use 2 cups of oats. And I'm using old-fashioned oats for this. Then to that, I'm gonna be using coconut milk, but you can use whatever milk you choose. And I'll do equal parts, so it's gonna be 2 cups of this as well. To that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of yogurt, and I'm using Greek whole milk yogurt, and I'm already using a vanilla flavor. I typically keep vanilla on hand. So add that. And then since it was vanilla flavor, I'm just gonna add a little bit extra vanilla to it. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon, but if you get the plain Greek one, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on how much vanilla flavor you like. And then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And that's it for the base, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this up. And then I'm gonna divide this amongst the jars and then just add the extra toppings once I choose the flavors to go into them. So I have these cute little glass jars. These are weck jars, and I have 6 of them. So I'm gonna fill these up. Leaving enough room for some toppings. I may have put too much in that one. All right, and that was actually enough to fill all 6 of my jars up. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lids on and then put it in the fridge, and then when it's time to eat, we'll put the toppings on. So we gotta let it set for, I would say, at least 2 hours, but overnight obviously is better. And with these jars, I have a seal, and it comes with these little clips to secure them. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I'll have the link to this product in the description box down below in case you guys want to check it out. But this brand, they make several sizes. I actually already have several other sizes, but they're a little larger. And I'm trying to cut down on my portion sizes that I eat. So these were the right size, just to have something quick for breakfast, just to start my metabolism up for the day. So I made these jars last night and they firmed up really nicely. So just showing you how you open these wet jars. They have these little clamps here. And this tab, you pull it so it breaks the seal. And then you can take the lid off. And then you can see how thick it is. It's not even gonna fall out, which is nice and good, be creamy and everything. So I'm making 3 different flavors. Decided the first one I'm gonna do a banana peanut butter. So first I'm gonna go ahead and just cut my banana. I'm gonna use half to mash inside the actual oatmeal, and then I'm gonna use the other half to put as toppings. So since I did make a total of 6 jars, I'm gonna do 2 banana and 2 of the other flavors. So I guess technically each little jar is gonna have a quarter of a banana for mashing and then a quarter for topping. Go ahead and just stick it in there. Alright, and then I have these spoons that I got off Amazon. I love them because they're nice and long. They fit right into the jar. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir that up so the banana's incorporated in there. This is something you actually can do the night before as well, but since I was trying to keep everything uniform, I just used that one batch and decided to just mix it in the morning, which is not gonna make much of a difference. All right, so the banana is mixed in there. Since I have this, I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it so we can put it on top. I think I'll do half moons. There, and then peanut butter. You can use any nut butter of your choice. Let's add on some nut butter here. And we're going to top it off with those banana pieces. Alright. Alright, so this is banana peanut butter. Okay, so the next one I have, here's my jar, so same batch again. I'm gonna be doing a blueberry with some lemon zest. And then I'm gonna top it off with some coconut flakes as well. So same thing with the bananas. I'm gonna actually mash some of these blueberries up so I can incorporate it into the actual oatmeal itself, just to give it some extra flavor. I'm gonna leave some of it chunky. So same thing here. Actually, take my fork. Mix it up. Alright, so that's done. To top it off, I'm gonna add some more blueberries. And some lemon zest. Now you can add a little bit of lemon juice actually into the overnight oats if you want, just to have a little tint of sour in it, but I'm just gonna do just a little bit of zest instead. I think that should be enough for the flavor. Alright, so I have that, and then to top it off, extra coconut flakes. And actually just maybe a few, just for a pop of comfort there. Alright, So here you go, blueberry, coconut, and lemon zest. All right, so the last one is, again, using the same batch. I'm gonna be doing a strawberry chocolate one. So I have some chocolate chips. These are mini chocolate chips, semi-sweet. And to that, I have some strawberries that I cut. This, you can also do the same thing. We can mash them as well, but I'd rather keep them whole. And then I'm going to stir it up. So it's mixed in. All right, and pretty simple to that. I'm just gonna top it with some more strawberries. And let's see, I'm gonna maybe do a little bit of a layer action here. Some chocolate chips. And I love these chocolate chips because once you spoon it in, you have like a little bite of chocolate, a little crunchy bite of chocolate. It's really, really good. All right, top them with some strawberries. And then a few more sprinkles of the chips. All right, so this one is a strawberry chocolate chip overnight oats.
So you guys saw that that was a really simple recipe that I was able to batch up and make different flavors out of it. With this large container of road oats, the possibilities are gonna be endless. So I can't wait to share more flavors with you. I hope you guys like the 3 that I chose today. I think my favorite's going to be this peanut butter banana one. But I will go ahead and share some more. If you guys want, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you wanna see. Thanks for watching. Have a monster-rific day. Bye.